What's up, man?
Going to the Shake Shack, my friend.
What?
We're going to the Shake place.
What's up, you guys? Over here at Moto Bros today, and he has let me take his 2022 Honda Grom non-ABS out for a ride. He's already got a full AKRA system on it. It sounds insane. This is going to be his next race bike, and he's letting me take it out and do a little review on it before it goes through getting cut up. Little sound check. Hell yeah. So first impression, I'm used to having about 120 more horsepower than this, so this thing feels ridiculously slow to me right now. But transmission on this thing feels really good. The seating position on it is actually really comfortable. I don't know if this is a bike that I would particularly buy outright. I mean, to me this is just a smaller version of my bike, a little bit less powered, one that you're not really going to take out onto the highway, but for a fun just around town bike, if this is something you're looking at, I really like this little thing. It's got enough power, it's really light, really tossable. If I had this bike, I'm not sure I'd be doing that exhaust. That exhaust is really, really loud, especially when you're got a load on the engine and you're moving. But I mean, the controls on it feel really good. The transmission feels good. The clutch feels good. The brakes feel really good, especially for a non-ABS bike. I mean, I've seen Craig ride this thing, and you can lock up the rear brake, slide it if you please. Shit. I don't like that. That's where my blinker should be, not my horn. Riding around, if it wasn't so loud, this is something I could really see if you live or work, you know, with very little commute, somewhere you don't really have to go anywhere faster than 55-60 miles an hour. This is a very viable option. It's a smooth riding, comfortable little bike. The black on black, or black on, no, I guess that would be black, looks really, really good. Let's go in here. I mean, it's a peppy little engine. I'm not going to leave it running because it is an air-cooled bike, but for the price point that these things are at, and if you're either a new rider, if you're wanting to build a race bike for really, really inexpensive, and I mean, there's a lot of race Grom groups out there, or if you just want something to put around town on the weekends, this bike kind of fits all the spots. I don't have anything really to compare it to. I don't have a Z125 or any other bikes that are in this thing's class, but for the price, I mean, this thing's a lot of fun. Not too powerful, but enough power to pull the wheel up if you please. It's got enough lighting and everything that I wouldn't be worried about riding it at night. Don't know about the grip and everything on it. I'm not a skilled enough rider to talk on that point, but I really like this little bike. They're pulling away on me. Oh man, Taylor is fully laid out on that bike. Got a little bit downhill. Oh, I saw 65. Yeah, buddy, we're moving now. Oh, these little bikes are a lot of fun. Hey, I just turned over 800 miles. That's cool. Oh shit, brakes. Okay, I'm good. I'm not anywhere as aerodynamic as y'all are. kill switch.